Hey guys, how are you? Well, my name is Fahim and you are watching Free Learning with Fahim. So guys, today I'm going to teach with you 3I principle of digital marketing. What are the basic and the advanced fundamental principle 3I principle which you can implement on your digital marketing strategy and you can boost your strategy and implement it on your goods and on your brand so that it leverage and give you the higher result and increase your ROI. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before going ahead, please subscribe to my channel Free Learning with Fahim and press the bell icon so that you get the notification update on time. So let's go ahead. So the number one I principle of digital marketing is iterate. So let's talk about iterate. What is iterate? Iterate mean listening. If you are active in digital marketing and you are working in digital marketing and actively you are participating in social media, so why using social media? By using social media, how you can get and how you can understand what people are speaking and what people are thinking. So the first fundamental principle of digital marketing is listening. Why listening is so important? Listening is important because it will help you understand what people are speaking about your product and about your services and also about your brand. Why? Because you don't know what people intention are and what they are, how they are behaving according to your brand and according to your personality or according to your product valuable and valuability. The thing is, you need to listen. If you will listen, then you will understand the requirement of your customer. And if you will understand the requirement of your customer, then it will make you easy so that you can bring the product so much valuable that it will help your customer to use and satisfy your customer so that the customer get attract and become the actual and become the long time relationship customer with you and your brand. Number two is iterate. What is iterate? Iterate means implementing the content and publishing it to the target platform. So what will be it? It will be anything like content. It will be video content or image content or text or anything like blogs, website. These are all content. So if you are publishing it in internet or if you are publishing it in social media or in your website or in internet, the world of internet, then this mean that you want to build a connection with your customer. And if you want to build a connection, then you need to publish it in such and in those specific platform where you know that your customer are there and will be available at any time and will be participate in your publish content and will engage. So the important thing is you need to engage with your customer and you need to think that how they are responding to your published content. So iterate means the response you're getting from your customer. So now the third I principle is integrate. What is integrate? Integrate means the content which you are publishing in social media or in the internet or in your website or blog, then you need to think that how you can implement it in your blog or in your website so that it get attractive and it build a relationship and engagement also, and so that you can create a monopoly in any field or in any niche of your business category. And according to it integrate have 3 point. The 3 point, what are the 3 point is the 3 point are: number one is you need to integrate with the platform. Means how you need to integrate, how you can integrate by looking at where your customer are. If your customer in social media like in Facebook, then you need to connect there in Facebook. You need to be available in Facebook and respond to them and publish content. And if you think that your customers in LinkedIn or Instagram or anywhere else, so that they can create intention to connect with you, so it means that the customers are also interested in your brand, so you need to get in touch with them on those platform as well. So the sub heading or sub point of number 2 for integration, point number 2 is you need to think that which marketing will be valuable and will be affordable for your brand or for your business. Either it will be valuable for the traditional marketing or even for the digital marketing. For some instance, there is a possibility where you need to publish content in newspaper. Then why? If you're thinking then that publishing content in newspaper will be good, then this means that you can get result. But you need to think, and you need to think as positive that you will get the result. So for that you need to think that is your customer are reading the newspaper and engaging with the newspaper, and you are getting the response from there. And for the digital marketing, you need to think that if which customer are using and what they are using and how they are actively participating in any digital platform like in social media, in on the Google, on Bing or any other else, or in the website or any other categories of website, then you need to think of it. And the third one is the integration should be a resourceable, means that the if you're integrating or you're publishing content and you are also getting result, or you are watching for the or waiting for the result, then this mean that if your content is valuable and is valuable for customer and the customers are getting information and ideas from your content, then this mean that you are building a valuable connection and building a good connection and a positive connection with your customer. This mean that when within I can't means you can't take it as a any type of time or any gap of time or any set of time or time range, but you can think of it, and you need to be your content should be resourceable so that it give you a response or a better response within 6 months or within 3 months. So this is the 3 I principle which we have discussed. So guys, if you like this video, if you then please press the like button and make this more viral, this video, and also share this video with all your friends, colleagues, and everyone in your friend circle. And also if you have any question with this regarding this, then please comment in the comment box in Facebook also and in YouTube also. So guys, thank you and have a great day. Stay safe.